Don't remain in the uh, ignorant stage of life. That is called Shudra. Try to become Brahman. That is, it is not prohibited that one cannot become Brahman. No, one can become Brahman. If he gets association of a Brahmana, if he agrees to be trained up by a Brahmana, he can become Brahmana. And Brahmana means Brahma Janati iti Brahmana, not by birth. Anyone who has full knowledge of the Supreme is Brahmana. Janmana Jayati Shudra. By birth, everyone is Shudra. Even if he is born in a Brahman family, he is Shudra. Janmana Jayati Shudra. Sanskarat bhavidvija. The sanskar means purification. That is Sattam Saucham.